This is the new 2020 Polaris Ranger 1000. It serves this year as the replacement for the discontinued Ranger XP900. It comes with increased low-end power, with improved drivability, improved ride quality and comfort, as well as additional storage inside and outside. Starting with power and drivability, the Ranger 1000 features a new version of the ProStar 1000 engine. This new single overhead cam version produces 61 horsepower and 55 foot-pounds of torque. That torque comes in a full 3,000 RPMs lower than where it did on the XP900, which will mean you have more power at lower RPMs, as well as smoother, quieter operation. Moving on from the engine, power is delivered to the ground through a brand new upgraded driveline. Starting at the clutch, we have the new Pro PVTi clutch system that provides smoother engagement, which is especially critical at low speed, as well as quieter operation. The final drive is adopted or derived from the Ranger XP1000, which is designed for improved durability, as well as quieter and smoother operation overall. The Ranger 1000 features an all-new chassis derived from the Ranger XP1000. This allows it to have additional capability when compared to the Ranger XP900, as well as additional strength and durability. Payload now maxes out at 1,500 pounds and with a towing capacity of 2,500 pounds. You also still have 12 inches of ground clearance and 10 inches of suspension travel front and rear. Polaris didn't just stop at the frame and suspension. They also took a look at the wheels and tires that were available. This premium version of the Ranger 1000 features a brand new 12-inch aluminum wheel, as well as a new 26-inch tire that Polaris has dubbed the PXT2. This new tire is meant to improve capability in any type of terrain, as well as increase the overall lifespan of the tire. Wrapping up on the ride quality and comfort, we're going to take a quick look on the inside of this Ranger 1000. With the new chassis, we end up with 5 inches of additional space on the interior, which gives you more legroom and better ergonomics, which makes it more comfortable for all-day riding. We also have a bigger opening here at the door, which will make it easier to get in and out for riders of any size. And lastly, we have a new thicker seat bottom that will also improve all-day riding comfort. Taking a look on the inside, the Ranger 1000 not only gives us more interior space than the outgoing XP900, it gives us better storage solutions. The first of which is a total of 6 cup holders. We also have a new larger glove box that has a top lid for easier access. And lastly, we have bonus storage under both seats. Rounding out the storage options on the Ranger 1000, we're going to take a look at the rear cargo bed. Compared to the Ranger XP900, the volume capacity on the Ranger 1000 has been increased by a full 10%. We also have a stronger design that allows us to maintain a total weight capacity of 1,000 pounds. And last, the Ranger 1000 brings a host of new and improved accessories. All of the new electrical accessories can now install using the plug-and-play Pulse electrical system, and many of the available ProShield cab components are already offered on the Ranger XP1000. This model features our value-oriented cold front package, which aims to improve cold weather comfort and capability. We started by ordering in this Ranger 1000 Premium with the available winter prep group from Polaris. That means it has a factory installed 4,500 pound winch, heater and defrost system, and a cab seal kit. We rounded out the cab by installing a standard Polysport roof. We did glass front and rear windows for improved scratch resistance and insulation. We added a wiper to the front windshield, and last we did the canvas doors, which in our opinion offer the best value when you're looking to fully enclose your Ranger. And that's been a look at the brand new 2020 Polaris Ranger 1000. If you have any questions, drop a comment below, and if you'd like to see our future videos, be sure to like and subscribe. This has been Arnie with Miller's Motorsports. Thank you for watching.